Can you trade the SKEW Index directly? Have you ever wondered if you can trade the SKEW Index directly? This is a common question among options traders, and the answer is quite interesting. The SKEW Index is not a tradable security or financial instrument. Instead, it is a calculated index that measures perceived tail risk in the S&P 500 options market. This index reflects the market's expectation of extreme negative returns or outlier events over a 30-day period. The SKEW Index is derived from the prices of S&P 500 options and is published by the Chicago Board Options Exchange. Unlike the Volatility Index, which measures implied volatility assuming a normal distribution of returns, the SKEW Index focuses specifically on the implied risk of rare and extreme market moves, particularly those that are more than to standard deviations below the mean. When the SKEW Index reads 100, it indicates low perceived tail risk. However, when the value rises above 100, it suggests increasing concern about potential market crashes or black swan events. This is where the SKEW Index becomes a useful tool for traders. Since the SKEW Index is a statistical construct based on option prices, you cannot buy or sell it directly. However, traders can use the information from the SKEW Index to guide their options trading strategies. For example, one practical way to trade based on the SKEW Index is by buying out of the money put options. This strategy can help hedge against or profit from large downward moves that the SKEW Index signals as more likely. Another approach involves engaging in option strategies that exploit changes in implied volatility skew. This can include risk reversals or vertical spreads, which reflected market sentiment about tail risk. Additionally, traders often monitor the SKEW Index as a sentiment indicator to adjust their portfolio risk or option positions accordingly. In summary, while you cannot trade the SKEW Index itself, it serves as a helpful tool for options traders. By understanding the SKEW Index, traders can assess and respond to perceived tail risk in the market by trading options, contracts on the S&P 500 or related derivatives. So, keep an eye on the SKEW Index to inform your trading decisions and strategies.